Hello and hi, I am as a president of Frentek Sdn Berhad would like to present our sincere appreciation and gratitude to our lecturer Prof. Raja Suzana binti Raja Kasim for her guidance, advice, opinion and support to our strategic entrepreneurship project. She was willing to spend her precious time guiding us along with the project progress. This project will not finish on time without her help and assistance. Thank you.
Hello, we are from Frentek SDN BHD. Our project is Exploration of Startup Company by Frentek SDN BHD, and our product is Voice Object Detector, which is a robot application. For technology sector, technology is frequently one of the most enticing growth sector in the economy. Through the application of ICT and technology, this sector may increase people quality of life, economic growth, sustainable and safe proximity, and urban management efficiency. Even though this sector is one of the enticing growth sectors in Malaysia's economy, the sustainable development remains a critical issue moving forward. As a result, our company came out with an object detection application that has the powerful value proposition that can alleviate the SDG 4 and SDG 7. Our product robot can alleviate the SDG 4 by providing a learning feature on detecting objects. The user can educate themselves through image detection, and this can increase user knowledge. The user can also upload the picture or image on the robot application if the object or things are not updated yet by our company. Next is SDG 7. This upgraded technology is more modern, affordable, sustainable and reliable for all. Frentek SDN Berhad using latest technology to develop our product robot, which is affordable for user. This app can be downloaded through the App Store and Play Store for free or 10 ringgit for the premium account. For project methodology, this case use global innovation management methodology, which include market innovation, organization innovation, logical innovation, management innovation, and business model innovation. So basically, our general service is providing an application in smartphone that can detect object which has the sensitivity to slow moving object within the camera view. If the object behavior resembles the predefined alert condition, the system will alarm and detect its tracks. General profile for the SME and the sector. According to the Department of Statistics Malaysia, DOSM 2020, for year 2020, the gross domestic product of Malaysian SME will decline due to COVID-19 pandemic. The growth of SME is expected to decline by 1% of this year, while Malaysia gross domestic product is expected to contract by 1.5% year on year. For profile of SME in Malaysia, a volume index of services based on fourth quarter 2020 increased 0.3% in fourth quarter 2020 as compared to 24.4% to the previous quarter. We continue to the team structure. First, our president is Muhammad Saiful bin Jamil, and our VP Technology is Nur Haliza Hanim Abdul Rahman, and our VP Finance is myself, Nur Ain Syafiqah binti Muhammad Ash'ari, and our VP Business Development is Divya Ragini, anak perempuan Mahindran. I will pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Now, I will tell about our company vision, mission and objective. Frentek SDN Berhad vision is established for successful recognition as an internationally known artificial intelligence research network. For our mission, Frentek SDN Berhad mission is to promote ethical and inclusive AI. Next, Frentek SDN Berhad will provide the best customer service with a 24 hours hotline. Meanwhile, Frentek SDN Berhad objective is to offer the people about the artificial intelligence application to give an insight and joy of introducing the latest technology to real life. Now we go to the next slide, product and services. Frentek SDN Berhad will provide new practical and high-tech application for smartphone called robot application. The user can use the AI voice feature to hear the thing that have been scanned. AI voice feature have 8 languages: Malay, English, Mandarin, Hindi, French, German, Indonesian and Japanese. Now we go to the value proposition. As we can see from the slide, we can see that our pain are the rising level of fear related with visual impairment and issue with bug and glitch. Our pen reliever is robot application can reduce the level of fear of losing visual impairment. The Frentech company are working hard to keep upgrading the system and software on the robot application. On business model canvas, our customer relationship is the robot application provide good customer services 24 hours online helpline and a group community for the user. It's accessible to them to share their problem about the robot application to Frentech Sdn Bhd. Frentech company have a key partner which is a technology supplier partner with the manufacturer to produce services for the customer. For example, is machine. Waterfall model. We go to the buyer power. Buyer volume may low in robot application because it is a new product in the market. Then the brand loyalty also seem to be low and they are the other buyer choice in the market. On competitive profile analysis, we have three competitors, which is Sharitech Ltd, Rapid Quest Company and PictureDis AI. All the competitors has their advantages and disadvantages. As we can see, the difference between Sharitech and Frentech company is Frentech company keep updated their social media to give the information to their user. Pastel analysis. One of it is a political factor. Frentech company need to follow the policy and tax that the government had arranged. Next is TOWS, threat, opportunity, weakness, strength. Let's take a look at our weakness. Frentech Sdn Bhd is the new company and the robot application is the first application that is created. People will hesitate to use the application because they do not know the detail about the application. I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
VBOT applications market strategic evaluation. Okay, firstly, market segmentation, demographic segmentation, robot application to define launch product vision better, give future advertising plans more direction and optimize resources, time and budget. It divided into two. First, age, the target focus on the age group from 7 to 60 years old to use VBOT application. Second is gender. Both gender with unemployed or employed can use VBOT application. Next is the psychographic segmentation. The artificial intelligence voice features will make the user convenient to use. Customers who want to enjoy the latest AI features in their daily lives. Third is behavioral segmentation. VBOT application marketed to unspecific customer based on their behavioral patterns. Fourth is geographic segmentation. Is the process of dividing our audience into communities based on where they live or work. Target market selection. The end user listed in the VBOT application market is everyone. Next is buyer behavior. There are three: limited decision making, variety seeking buyer behavior, and habitual behavior. Competitor profile analysis. Competitive profile object detectors, which is Sharitech, Rapid Quest Company, and PictureDis AI Company. Our VBOT application have 8 languages. First, Malay. Second, English, Mandarin, Hindi, French, German, Indonesian, and Japanese. That user can select to use. Also have promotion code for the 100 users every month. And then Frentech Sdn Bhd had been advertised the VBOT application on their website, Facebook, and Instagram to attract many customers. VBOT application can be downloaded at the Play Store and App Store on smartphones too. We also created a brand awareness to make a more visible potential customer. Okay, you can see the 3 years performa balance sheet for Frentech Sdn Bhd for the first year and for second year and for the third year. These are the result. Okay. Okay, this slide is ratio analysis for Frentech Sendirian Berhad. You can see the percentage here. Okay, uh, that's all for here. These are the startup costs. Okay, we have invest app development, online marketing, salaries, operating expenses, working capital, and the total initial funding is 677,000.
This is strategic market plan and strategic operation plan. Verbal application has two main strategy, which is focus on attract the people and focus on giving learning to the children. First strategy is to experience the joy of using the technology, to give knowledge about AI, and to expose and educate a user base. Second strategy is to provide knowledge about objects and to help do the correct pronunciation. Marketing strategy can help assess the verbal application target markets and their characteristics. A positioning statement will be created to create a customer image or impression of the verbal application. For product, to provide its customer the uniqueness and the joy of using the AI technology. For price, it is affordable for their target market segment. Distributions keep providing the required value to the users, and promotional to make customer aware of the application. The product strategy of the verbal application will be based upon one major factor. The verbal application was designed to make more friendly user, which is intuitive and easy to use by all people. Frentech Sendirian Berhad was planning to design their application more feasible and easily operate to make all range of age can use this application in their daily life. Frentech company also create the AI voice features on the verbal application with 8 languages that the user can select to use. These features can tell the user the object that the camera sensor had detected with the correct pronunciation. These features can give people deep learning, especially children, to learn about the object with the correct pronunciation. Pricing strategy is primarily detected by market positioning and undertake considerations such as the cost of product growth, manufacturing, distribution, and promotion. The verbal application pricing policy is designed with marketing ethics in mind for price determination, so the business relationship with its consumer is not affected. Frentech company's key source of revenue will be consumer paying to download the apps from either the Apple App Store or the various Android apps markets. This product will be distributed through Apple App Store and various Android marketplaces. The initial product launch will be limited to these two platforms but could extend to other venues in the future. A well-designed website, a Twitter account, and a Facebook page will all be used to promote the launch of this product. The advance of Web 2.0 have made advertising to a target audience which simpler and more affordable than it was in the past via more conventional channel. Frentech Sendirian Berhad will always keep their social media channel update with news and updates about the verbal application in order to raise brand awareness and make potential customer more accessible. Sales process consists of 5 to 7 steps, which is prospecting, preparation, approach, presentation, handling object, closing, and follow-up. Step 1. Identify potential buyer, collect customers' data, and check lead parameters to make them qualify as prospect. Create lists of potential leads and conduct preliminary research. Use social media, existing network, and customer referral. Step 2. Identify the competing businesses in the particular product category. Identify the personal needs. Think the way customer think. Step 3. Post a short video about verbal application on social media trend to listen the customer property. Step 4. Link the feature and aspect of the product with benefit. Present the product in response to the customer exceptions and object or often demand certain logical explanation. Step 5. Look from other angle to understand the features and benefit of the product. Try to get suitable answer for those objections. Step 6. Make the customer cautious about the availability of the robot application product. And step 7. To identify personal strengths and weaknesses in product and company knowledge. Strategy operation. General approach to operation consists of two stages, which is backstage and front stage. From backstage, hire the professional programmer, the problem on system which is bug and crash, find the budget to make the application, take a long time to develop an application, hire the professional designer to design the interface of application, dealing with different OS which is iOS and Android, security such as malware problem, pay the labor fees, software listening fees such as accounting costs, and overcrowded market, and also employees training. From the front stage, which what the members see, the application is well developed, the system smooth without any problem, have a good and potential application, launching the apps, interface friendly user, available to download at App Store and Play Store, have a good and secure security on their software and system, the verbal application successfully create, have a unique and benefit of the application, and also have a quality employee. Frentech Sdn Bhd located at Jalan 791 Taman Semelin Perkasa, Kuala Lumpur. It also located beside the College Polytech Mara and at the center of the city. This location assists in developing a stronger bond with customer, also provide opportunity to learn more about customer, and also bring and gather valuable information about customer. Facility and equipment with its function. Computer and laptop. These devices are very important to install the programming software on it. Employee will use this device to make the programming process. Wi-Fi is the wireless network technology that allows devices such as computer, mobile device, and other equipment to interface with the internet. The running process of programming cannot be done if the Wi-Fi are not available. Phone, both landline and handheld. The device to make and receive telephone calls from the client or supplier. Bug tracking. The process of logging and monitoring bug or error during software testing. It is also referred to as defect tracking or issue tracking. The verbal application will do the bug tracking test before the Frentech company had launched it into the App Store and Play Store. Renting of an office facility. The building to facilitate the provisions of a workplace and working environment for information and knowledge processing activity. The team of Frentech Sdn Bhd are working at the office to do their job and task on develop the verbal application. Liability insurance policy provides protections against claims resulting from injury or damage to people or property. Frentech company take care that its business operations are according to best practice or regulation. Graphic design studio, a workplace for designer and artisan engaged in conceiving designs and develop new product or object. The professional design of Frentech company will use the studio to design the application more friendly and used for the target market. Software subscription. The process of creating and maintaining applications, framework or other software component. The professional employee in Frentech company will use this software to develop the verbal application. Multifunction printer or color laser printer. accept text and graphic output from a computer and transfer to the information to paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. Fax machine designed to both send and receive documents, so it has a sending part and a receiving part. Friend Tech company can receive and sending the document to the client and supplier.